Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you some ideas on how to decorate your home for spring for less than $50. Spring is this close to getting here, and I am so excited to decorate my home for the season. Today, with the help of Walmart, who is sponsoring this video, I want to share with you 3 rooms in my home that I've made spring ready for less than $50 each. These ideas are so simple and so quick that you could definitely get them done within a day and then sit back and enjoy your newly decorated spring home. Ready to get some spring decorating ideas? Let's get started.
To give our kitchen a spring refresh, I started by brightening it up with some beautiful modern farmhouse style towels in a fresh blue and white stripe from Walmart. I'm loving the on-trend decor items I've been seeing lately at Walmart, and that it's so easy to grab them while I shop for other home essentials. You guys know I love shades of blue, but this time I chose a deeper, clearer blue than usual for a really crisp and slightly modern look. Speaking of a more modern look, adding some beautiful countertop accessories in marbles, woods, and whites adds a light spring feel to any kitchen. I love this giant cutting board from Walmart as both a decorative and a practical item, and I also thought this recipe holder was adorable for spring too. More inexpensive striped towels give this corner some color. I love how my tablet fits in this recipe holder, and it makes it easy for me not only to browse my favorite recipes online, but to watch my favorite YouTube series too. One that I've been watching lately is called Upstairs Amy, which is a witty comedy sponsored by Walmart, and I adore the dry humor and the relatable struggles in the show. Finally, a $4.88 scatter mat in this crisp blue shade adds just the right pop of color my kitchen needs for spring. The little things can really make a big difference in the kitchen. The total cost of this mini spring makeover? $43.74. Speaking of mats, let's move on to the little spring touches for the powder room. I found this beautiful soft bath mat in my favorite shades of teal and thought it added such a great blast of color to our little powder room. I love adding bold colors and patterns to a guest bathroom for a fun surprise. To tie in the bath mat and add more springtime color to our powder room, I swapped out our white hand towel for a pretty teal one. Finally, I switched out our wintry soap dispenser for one that reminded me of farmhouse springs and summers. These are all really inexpensive items that can pack a punch in a small space like this. The cost of this spring refresh, a mere $44.91. The last room I refreshed for spring is our dining room. I made a simple and inexpensive table setting by adding some Walmart finds to my base of table setting basics that I already had, like white plates, napkins, and simple wine glasses. These faux marble salad plates add just enough pattern to my setting while keeping a modern feel. I also found these beautiful marble and wood coasters from Walmart that looked beautiful under my wine glasses. I made some very simple place cards by cutting some craft paper into rectangles, punching the tops and bottoms with my hole punch, and writing my guest names on them. These faux succulent picks from Walmart were the perfect final touch to make these place cards both cute and springy. The finishing touch is this simple but beautiful orchid I found at Walmart that I'm using as the centerpiece. You guys know I love flowers, especially in the spring, and this orchid is not only gorgeous, but it also has a bit of a modern, simple look that I think matches this table setting really well. The final price on these tablescape touches? $44.71.
Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you found those spring decorating ideas useful. Thanks again to Walmart for partnering with me on this video, and definitely make sure to check out the Upstairs Amy web series right here on YouTube. I'll leave a link to that somewhere up here and in the description box below. It's really funny, so I think you guys will enjoy it too. Please let me know in the comments below which of these rooms was your favorite for spring. I'd love to hear what you think. And thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye!